In this video, I will show you how to silence notifications on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on iPhone. Now tap Focus. Here we can choose a focus, for example, Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep or Work. Let's tap Do Not Disturb. You may select either people or apps. When you select apps, you can choose either silence notifications from or allow notifications from. Then you need to select the apps using add option. Once you do that, swipe from the top right side to access control center. Tap focus until do not disturb option comes up. And till the time this is selected, you will not receive notifications from the selected apps. The other way is to individually silence notifications of the particular app. To do that, open any app from Settings page. Tap Notifications and toggle off Allow Notifications option. Once you do that, you will not receive notifications from that app. So that is how you can silence notifications on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.